Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I am your coding friend Real. So, idea behind this channel is pretty simple. I want to learn different technologies one by one and give one project with each step. And I'm uh, starting everything from scratch. I do have a little bit of technical knowledge, but trust me, I am not an expert. I will be learning as I go, and if you are a beginner, you won't feel left out at all. We are learning together here. Okay, guys. Uh, also, for the first technology, I have decided to go with Java. Here, you see that I'm currently going to that piece of document. You will see probably uh, first video regarding the first start place and within the 3 days, just focus on it. And at first, I thought to starting with that CSC first to be honest, but it, honestly, Java is currently in huge demand right now. Plus, I do want to make some money with it from YouTube, so I will retire. And just to be clear, I don't even know if we actually Java right now. I just opened this website, there's Java, and it was today taking me to here. So yeah, this is going to be a real journey. So let's begin and learn it out together. I'll be uploading as I said earlier, that the first video is the Java playlist will be within the next video. So take a look up, and if you want to be part of this journey, please hit like and subscribe to your coding time and to comment Java below in the a comment section, so I know you are in this one. Okay. Alright, so that's it for now. So see you in next video. Happy coding.